We moved out to the country about 3.5 years ago, and we had all kinds of property, and I decided that a good thing to do would raise some chickens for some chicken eggs. And so I started looking at designs and built and designed a chicken coop. Every morning I have to get up, feed the chickens, let them out of the coop, collect the eggs, and clean the nest, and put water in all their containers.
So we got these chickens. We had 12. We started off with 12, and then a friend gave us several more. At the beginning, we were getting like 6 eggs because they were young. And then as they grew and started getting, a little older, we would get like 9 eggs.
After cleaning the chicken coop and collecting all the compost, I take the compost and put it in my wildflower field. The wildflower field exists for the bees and all the pollinators, such as butterflies, hummingbirds. So as I said, I have 18 chickens, 18 pets, and each one of them has a personality of their own.
I think the best part about having chickens is they're like, just like people have dogs and cats, these chickens have become social. They're very friendly. They're very friendly and fun.